Let's look at some converting of the area. So when you convert the area, we have to check the the prefix. You have to know the powers of the prefix to convert it, to make it easy. So when it's a square like this one, let's take it, you are going from there to there. This is 13 centimeter, so you have to take 13 centimeter, and then you see this one is centimeter is 10 to the negative 3, so you put 10 to the negative 3, and then because it's a square you have to put the square here, and then you have to change it like this. So when you have changed it like this, use the calculator to square this. So squaring this one, you'll have something 10, multiply this one by 2, you'll have negative 4, and then you will use the calculator to expand this one. So this is how you will able to change from centimeter to millimeter. So let's check another one. Let's check, we have 70. So when you have 70 like this, and then we have to change it to millimeters, from millimeter. So you know that the millimeter it's a negative 3. So because you're changing it to meter, you will do the same thing as you did, but you have to know the prefix, the power of the prefix. The prefix is like the milli, it's a prefix, and then the power of the milli is, it's a negative 3. So now you have to change this one 10 to the negative 3. So changing to this one to the negative 3, you'll have to multiply this one, you'll have negative 6, and then you have meter, and then you can use the calculator to find the values. So it's simple that way. So if you know the basic, it will be simple and simpler to change it. So let's continue. It's from 100. As you can see, this one, this is, you have to convert to millimeter. So we are dropping down, so it will be like dropping down, moving from this one to this one. So you have to change the prefix to be a positive because we are moving to the other direction. So the prefix now, you know that is 10 to the negative 3 to centimeter, and then you have to put the positive one, and then because it's we are squaring it, you put this square here, and then you put the centimeter here. So you'll have 2 times this one, you'll have something like 10 to the power 4. So changing this one, it will become like this. So this is how you'll be changing the from meter to centimeter. So let's check the last one. So the last one, you're also doing the same thing, but because you are moving from bigger one to smaller one, you have to change the sign to be a positive sign, the sign of the prefix, because it will be negative. So you just multiply this one by 2, and then you leave it to a millimeter. I forgot to put the squares, so don't forget to put the squares. All of them have to be the square. You have to have a square because it's from the area. So then the same applies to this one, but it's a different prefix. So you multiply the 3 times 2, it's 6. So left you have 6, and then millimeter square. So this is how we'll be changing it. You can use a calculator from this point. I was just trying to make it simpler for converting only, so you can use calculator to simplify this one. So if you like this video, just press the like button, and if you want more video like this, just subscribe to this channel, and we'll have more videos immediately they are uploaded. So share to others who may think that they want this. This is like related to Maths Lit and grade 10, grade 7, grade 9, the 9th grade, the 10th grade, and 8th grade. So you have to check S1, when you are dealing with, be careful of checking the prefix. Make sure that you are using the right prefix converting things. So share to others who might you think they might like this. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video.